Hi everyone, welcome to another CrafTangles product intro video. And today I want to take you through a completely new product released under CrafTangles, which is CrafTangles sticker rolls. So these rolls come packaged just like how I'm showing you here. So basically they are rolled and comes into these kind of small rolls while packed so that they are easy to ship. Now once you open them, this is how they will open up. So in one roll you will find 5 sticker rolls, and each sticker roll will measure 2.25 inches by 18 inches. So it will be 2.25 inch in width and 18 inch in length, and these are all sticker rolls. So basically these are stickers, so you can cut them and then create stickers out of them, or you can directly remove the sticker backing and use them as is on your journals, mixed media layouts, etc. We are currently launching 10 new designs in these, and I will take you through the opening of each and every design of these sticker rolls. These are very affordable in pricing, and they are priced in such a way that if you wish, you can try out all the designs and see which works for you all. As said, in one pack you get 5 rolls, and each roll measures 2.25 inches by 18 inches in size. So you're getting a lot of design for the pricing. Also, these form a very good made in India alternative to washi tapes, which are highly used in journaling and art journals and mixed media, etc. So I hope you give this made in India product a try. At the end of the video, once I complete unboxing of each and every sticker roll, I will take you through the designs that are available in each and every sticker roll, and I will also share one of the photo of the sticker roll once they are opened, so you will get an idea of how they look. At any point of time, if you are interested in buying these products, there is a link in the description where I take you to the website where it contains all the available designs for this product, as well as it will also contain all the details like sizes, one pack contains how many rolls, etc.